Hello everyone, it's Krisztian. I'm based in London, UK. I played drums for 30 years and percussion for about 14 years. I play a few bands, one of them called Alexander Wolf. I will show you a short video of the gigs we had 2 weeks ago. So drumsticks, I got the Collision 7 AR. Pretty cool, light, strong and light. It's a good combination. I will tell you more about it on the next chapter. So I was lucky enough to receive the drumsticks on the day when I had a gig with them. So, next chapter. Playing the sticks. And now, 7A, yeah? 7A. Here you go. Can you see? Oh yeah. Collision 7A R. 7A R. Feels good. Looks very light. Good size. So I'm gonna check